Hi guys, Lucas here. Thanks for tuning back to my channel. As you can tell, the MARUI Galaxy RS is finally completed. I know you're thinking, what took so long, man? Jeez, a month later practically? Well, yeah, because I had the worst case of laryngitis I've ever had in my life. I couldn't speak for about a week and a half. Just starting to get my vocals back. Many cough drops later. I apologize once again. But nonetheless, the Galaxy RS is finally completed. It was probably completed about 2 weeks ago, actually. We did a lot to make her look like this because if you remember, she was a little tattered up. She's had a rough life, but now I think she's okay. Let's go through the list of what had been done. First, we had to sand down the roll cage. If you remember, the roll cage was all beat up. So that's been sanded and repainted. More of a deep blue. With a little bit of a white undertone underneath. I had to paint it white first, bright white, then repainted it that blue. It's almost like a deep sail blue, and then we glossed it. It looks pretty good, I think. It's a little, about a shade darker than it was, but it's more vibrant anyways. Then we cleaned out the shocks. So the shocks have been addressed with new oil and polished, so that came out really nice. Bleached the rims, so they sat in bleach for about 3 days. That turned out good. Repainted the chassis on the bottom. It's more of a chromy black metallic. Looks really good with just a basic black top or 3-piece top that's on right here on where the driver's at. And what else we do? Painted the rear motor mount area in a nice silver aluminum. Complement the engine. Speaking of engine, that's to me a sport tune motor. The 540 motor that was in here, it just was too rusty. I could clean it, so I went ahead and bought a new motor. Got it off Amazon. It's actually damaged box. To me, a sport tune motor, so it was only like $13. So I got it, and using an Amsonic Eco 20 turn ESC in here, waterproof. I love that ESC. Brand new digital servo in here. I think I paid like $7.99 for that. Got the wing from Team Blue Groove, so they supplied a wing. It's a reproduction MARUI Galaxy wing, and got the old sticker off and was able to apply that towards the new wing and repainted it white. Then we added a nice little piece of black sand, and then I put the RS logo on top of there, since it's the RS model. And re-greased everything. The gears seemed okay. So, to me, a lube in the inside of it there. Ball bearings throughout. Painted the driver. I think it should turn out pretty good. Did the repair on the back bumper. And that's pretty much it. So she was a lot of fun. So glad to finally get this thing done for you guys, and once again I apologize for the late video. Typically I like to do my videos, a video every couple weeks for you guys, but I just could not shake the laryngitis. Now, there will be a future episode between these two. So if you're wondering about this one, this is the Galaxy this is the Galaxy, the basic Galaxy that came out first. Then the RS came out again with this one. But this one does have the MARUI 360 motor in it. Kind of cool. So we'll see which one's faster. I do got to get a wing for it, which we all know where to get that now. And then I got to find a driver's head. That's going to be a little difficult to find a MARUI Galaxy head, but I might be able to use it to me a frog guy. So it should be pretty cool. This one's a lot better condition than this one. So we'll do a future episode on the build of this one. But that's her. I think she turned out pretty cool. The RS is completed. You're going to see the breakdown of this car, and then you're going to see the running portion of the video. And all that's going to start right now. Alrighty guys, so as you can tell, the MARUI Galaxy RS is, well, all stripped apart, being laid out. So now I have to clean everything really well. And luckily the gears are good. I don't have no drama there, thank goodness.
Driver, I just got to paint the driver. Got to clean everything really well. The chassis, gonna repaint the chassis in more of a like black metallic chrome. That should be really good. Give it a nice pop. And then gonna clean the tires. I might use the same tires that came with the car. I don't know, but I definitely gotta fix the rims a little bit, because look at the tire there. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not. If I do, I have to trim the edges here so it's more uniform. But I do like the way that the Hornets tires look. So this MARUI rim does fit in there okay. So you can use Tamiya Hornet tires if you're interested in doing that. Gonna paint the roll cage portion of the MARUI Galaxy RS. Same color, but maybe a little darker. So maybe not quite the same color, but still gonna be a nice blue. And yeah, so no real drama, thank goodness. And yeah, so it should be okay. Gotta do the wing. I got the new wing right there that I'm gonna use. And pretend you don't see that car right there. That'll be for a future episode.
So what we're looking at is a ESC I got off eBay. It's an M Sonic 20 turn maximum waterproof ESC. Easy touch, one setup. So I've had success with these back in the day. Pretty sturdy little units, but we'll see. I don't know if this one works or not. The seller wasn't sure. But for $3, and I think I got like $3.69, nobody else bid on it. That could be a bad sign, or it could be a lucky sign. We'll see. I gotta solder these leads on it, and hopefully it works, because I'd like to use this for the MARUI Galaxy RS. So we'll see. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed, guys. All right, as you can tell, the car is put back together again. I'm sorry, my voice, it's really bad, guys. Yeah. So, everything's been painted. The chassis was not hard to do. And that's pretty much it. So next portion will be the running video. Oh, I gotta put bearings. I gotta put bearings in the wheels. All right, now for the running portion of the video. Got a little spin there. Kind of windy, so I apologize. And we're just running it old school, like with just a basic 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride battery. So it's not very fast. Speed's probably maybe 18, 19 miles an hour, maybe a little faster. Whoa. Man, it looks so good running, guys. Just soaks up the bumps. Oh, my battery's dying on this one. No. Alright, let's run another battery through it. Alright. Yeah, that suspension travel is awesome. Look at it, just soaks up the bumps. Alrighty, I think that's going to come to a close. Turn on the sunlight there. Alright, and that's the MARUI Galaxy RS. I think she turned out pretty cool, guys. It runs pretty nice. Nothing crazy. It's definitely not super fast. It's got a lot to do with the battery packs, I guess. They've had better lives. So, please hit a like, and I would love it for you subscribe. You're not going to want to miss what's coming up next. Definitely got a treat for you. Alright, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.